Hello plant lovers, get ready to explore some of the most rare, stylish and eye-catching indoor plants that can completely transform your home vibe. These beauties don't just look amazing, they purify the air, lift your mood and add a touch of nature's magic to any corner. So stay with me till the end because you are about to discover some truly unique plants you will definitely want in your collection. The stunning plant is called Laurenti, commonly known as the golden snake plant. It features tall, sword-shaped leaves with beautiful green centers and bright yellow edge, making it one of the most attractive and popular indoor plants. It's part of the Dracena family, known for its air purifying qualities and easy maintenance. This plant thrives in both bright indirect sunlight and low light areas, and it requires watering only once every 10 to 12 days. The soil should be well drained to prevent root rot. According to Vastu Shastra, keeping the snake plant in the southeast or east direction brings positive energy, prosperity, and good health. It also absorbs toxins and releases oxygen even at night, improving indoor air quality. The price of this Laurenti usually ranges from 200 to 400 depending on the pot and size. It's a perfect choice for homes and offices, both decorative and beneficial for your environment. This unique and beautiful plant is known as the crispy wave fern, scientifically called Asplenium nidus. Crispy wave. It belongs to the bird's nest fern family and is loved for its bright green, wavy, and crinkled leaves that look fresh and elegant all year round. Its curly leaves not only make it an attractive decorative piece but also help purify the air by absorbing toxins and improving humidity indoors. The crispy wave fern thrives in indirect sunlight or partial shade, making it perfect for indoor spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, or office desks. It prefers slightly moist soil, watered in 2 to 3 times a week, but make sure the soil never becomes soggy. It grows well in loamy or well draining soil with a bit of organic matter. Regular misting also keeps its leaves healthy and shiny. In terms of Vastu Shastra, ferns are believed to bring growth, positivity, and balance to your home. Keeping this plant in the east or north direction enhances harmony and attracts good fortune. It's also said to remove negative energy and promote mental peace, making it an ideal plant for meditation or relaxation space. The price of a crispy wave fern generally ranges from 250 to 450 depending on the pot size and plant height. If you are looking for a lush, elegant and low maintenance plant that adds freshness and calm to your space, the crispy wave fern is a wonderful choice, both beautiful and beneficial for your home. This beautiful and eye-catching plant is known as the Croton plant, and the specific variety you are seeing here is called Croton variegatum banana or Croton banana leaf plant. It belongs to Codium family and is famous for its long banana-shaped leaves and which is shades with the green, yellow and light cream pattern. Its colorful foliage adds a tropical and vibrant touch to any home or garden, making it a favorite choice for decorative plant lovers. The Croton banana leaf plant grows best in bright indirect sunlight, which helps maintain its rich color patterns. It can also tolerate partial sunlight but should be kept away from harsh direct sun during summer afternoons. Water the plant when the topsoil feels dry, usually once or twice a week, and make sure the pot has proper drainage. It thrives well in loamy, well-drained soil mixed with a bit of compost or organic fertilizer. In terms of maintenance, the plant is quite easy to care for. Regular cleaning of its broad leaves with a damp cloth helps it breathe better and keeps pests away. You can also mist the leaves occasionally to maintain humidity. According to Vastu Shastra, the Croton plant is considered very auspicious and is believed to bring positivity, wealth, and colorful energy into the home. It's best placed in the east or southeast direction to attract prosperity and happiness. Its vibrant leaves leaves symbolize growth, creativity, and harmony in life. The price of a croton banana leaf plant generally ranges from 200 to 350 depending on its size and pot quality. So if you want a plant that brings both beauty and positive energy into your home, the Croton variegatum banana is a perfect choice, bright, bold, and full of life. And this elegant and evergreen beauty is known as the Jammucalcas jamaifolia, commonly called the ZZ plant. It is one of the most popular indoor plants around the world, admired for its glossy dark green leaves and its ability to thrive even with minimal care. The ZZ plant belongs to the Areca family and is native to Eastern Africa, where it grows naturally in dry and shaded areas, which makes it perfect for homes and offices with limited sunlight. The ZZ plant is well known for being an extremely low maintenance plant. It can easily tolerate low light conditions and needs watering only once every 10 to 15 days. Overwatering should be avoided as it prefers slightly dry soil. The plant grows best in well-drained potting mix with sand or perlite to prevent waterlogging. It's also drought tolerant, making it ideal for people who often forget to water their plants. Besides being attractive, the ZZ plant is also a powerful air purifier. It removes toxins like xylene, toluenes, and benzene from the air, helping to create a cleaner and healthier indoor environment. The thick, shiny leaves reflect light beautifully, brighten up any corner of your home or workspace. According to Vastu Shastra, the ZZ plant is believed to bring good luck, financial growth, and stability. It's best placed in the southeast or east direction of your home or office to attract wealth and positive energy. Its upward growing leaf symbolizes progress and steady success. That's why many people keep it near their work desks or entrances. The price of a ZZ plant usually ranges from 250 to 500 depending on the size and pot type. If you are looking for a modern, stylish, and easy care indoor plant that adds both beauty and prosperity to your space, this ZZ plant is a perfect choice, elegant, resilient, and full of positive vibes. Now, this charming and compact plant is called Peperomia caperata, commonly known as the emerald ripple peperomia. It's a popular indoor plant admired for its deep green, heart-shaped leaves with a beautifully textured and rippled surface. Belonging to the Peperomia family, this plant is native to the tropical rainforest of Brazil and is loved for its ornamental beauty and easy care nature. The Peperomia caperata thrives best in bright, indirect light but can also tolerate moderate shade, making it ideal for tabletops, shelves, and office desks. It prefers well-draining soil. A mix of peat moss and perlite works perfectly. Water it only when the top soil feels dry. Overwatering can harm its roots since it stores moisture in its thick leaves. Regular misting helps maintaining humidity, especially in dry climates. One of the best things about this plant is its low maintenance nature. It grows slowly, doesn't need frequent repotting, and stays compact throughout the year. It's also known to help purify indoor air, adding freshness and calmness to your surroundings. According to Vastu Shastra, the Peperomia is considered a symbol of harmony, peace, and positive energy. Keeping it in the north or east direction of your home or workspace helps attract good luck and emotional balance. Its heart-shaped leaves are also said to bring love and unity to relationships. The price of Peperomia caperata generally ranges from 200 to 350 depending on the size and pot quality. If you are searching for a cute, elegant, and easy to care indoor plant that enhances both beauty and positivity in your space, the Peperomia caperata is a perfect choice. Small in size but full of charm and good energy. This stunning tropical plant is called Philodendron Xanadu, also known as the tree philodendron or lacy tree philodendron. It belongs to the Areca family and is loved for its large, glossy, deep-leaved leaves that spread beautifully, giving any indoor or outdoor space a lush tropical appearance. Native to South America, this plant brings a bold, exotic touch to your home decor while being surprisingly easy to care for. This philodendron thrives best in bright indirect sunlight but can also tolerate partial shade. It prefers moist, well draining soil that is rich in organic matter. Water the plant 2 to 3 times a week, keeping the soil slightly damp but never soggy. This plant enjoys humidity, so misting the leaves occasionally will help maintain their glossy, vibrant look. With proper care, it can grow up to 4 to 5 feet tall indoors, making it an excellent statement plant for corners or hallways. In addition to its beauty, the philodendron is a powerful air purifier. It helps eliminate harmful toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene from the air, improving your indoor environment and promoting fresh oxygen circulation. Its lush green leaves also help reduce stress and create a sense of calm and well-being. According to Vastu Shastra, this plant symbolizes growth, prosperity, and harmony. Keeping it in the southeast or east direction of your home or office is believed to attract positive energy, success, and stability. The broad green leaves are also said to balance emotions and enhance mental peace, making it ideal for living rooms or workspaces. The price of a philodendron selenium plant usually ranges from 300 to 600 depending on the plant size and pot quality. If you are looking for a majestic, easy to grow and air purifying plant that brings natural beauty and good fortune, the philodendron selenium is a perfect choice, both tropical and full of positive energy. This beautiful and last plant is called Philodendron Xanadu, a member of the Areca family and one of the most elegant tropical houseplants. It is admired for its broad, deeply lobed green leaves that grow outward in a bushy, fountain-like shape, giving any space a rich jungle-like look. The plant's dense, glossy foliage makes it a perfect choice for indoor decoration, balconies, or shaded gardens. The Philodendron Xanadu thrives in bright, indirect sunlight but can also grow well in partial shade. It prefers moist but well-drained soil, and watering once or twice a week is enough. Always allow the top layer of soil to dry before watering again. This plant enjoys a humid environment, so occasional misting helps keep the leaves healthy and shiny. It can grow up to 2 to 3 feet tall, making it a stunning centerpiece for your living room or office. One of the biggest advantages of this plant is that it's low maintenance and air purifying. It helps remove toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air, improving indoor air quality and freshness. The Philodendron Xanadu also adapts well in indoor temperatures, which makes it ideal for modern homes and workplaces. According to Vastu Shastra, keeping a Philodendron Xanadu plant in the southeast or east direction of your home is said to bring wealth, prosperity, and growth. Its lush green leaves symbolize positivity, balance, and energy flow, helping to create a peaceful and harmonious environment. The price of Philodendron Xanadu plant usually ranges from 250 to 500 depending on its size and pot quality. If you want a stylish, tropical, and easy to grow plant that adds freshness and good energy to your home, the Philodendron Xanadu is a perfect choice, elegant, vibrant, and full of life. This adorable and charming plant is known as the Cupid Peperomia, scientifically called Peperomia scandens variegata. It's a beautiful trailing house plant that belongs to the Peperomia family and is loved for its heart-shaped light green leaves edged with creamy white or yellow variegation. Its soft hanging vines make it a perfect choice for hanging baskets, shelves, or tabletop, adding a touch of freshness and elegance to any room. The Cupid Peperomia thrives best in bright, indirect sunlight. It can also tolerate moderate shade, but strong direct sunlight should be avoided as it can scorch the delicate leaves. The plant prefers well-draining soil. A mix of coco peat and perlite works perfectly. Water it once every 5 to 7 days, only when the top layer of soil feels dry. Overwatering should be avoided because peperomias have fleshy leaves that naturally store water. This plant is very low maintenance and ideal for beginners. It grows moderately fast, stays compact, and doesn't require frequent pruning. Apart from its beauty, it also helps purify the air and maintain a healthy indoor environment. Its cascading vines create a smooth and peaceful atmosphere, making it a lovely addition to bedrooms and living spaces. According to Vastu Shastra, the Cupid Peperomia is considered a symbol of love, positivity, and peace, thanks to its heart-shaped leaves. Placing it in the north or east direction of your home or workplaces helps attract emotional harmony and good relationship. It's also believed to bring calmness and prosperity to the environment. The price of a Cupid Peperomia plant generally ranges from 200 to 300. If you are looking for a cute, decorative, and easy to care indoor plant that radiates love and positivity, the Cupid Peperomia is a perfect choice, elegant, vibrant, and full of happy energy. The Chinese fan palm, scientifically known as Livistona chinesis, is a stunning ornamental plant famous for its large, fan-shaped leaves that spread beautifully like an open hand. This slow-growing palm adds an exotic tropical charm to both indoor and outdoor spaces. It thrives well in bright indirect sunlight and prefers well-draining soil with moderate watering, just enough to keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy. It's a low-maintenance plant, making it perfect for homes, offices, and gardens. The Chinese fan palm grows gracefully up to 6 to 10 feet indoors and even taller outdoors, making it an excellent centerpiece plant. It's also known to purify the air and create a refreshing atmosphere around. According to Vastu Shastra, keeping a Chinese fan palm in the east or southeast direction of your home is considered very auspicious. It is believed to bring prosperity, positivity, and peace while warding off negative energy. In terms of price, a medium-sized plant usually costs around 600 to 1200 depending on the size and pot type. You can easily find it in local nurseries or online garden stores. So if you are looking for a plant that's beautiful, symbolic, and easy to care for, the Chinese fan palm is a perfect choice for your home or balcony garden. So friends, that's all about today's video. These all plants are perfect blend of elegance, good luck, and easy maintenance. Thanks friends for watching till the end. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing plant stories. See you in the next video. Till then, keep growing and stay happy.